Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to service Mitsubishi Lancer. Start by gathering your tools and safety gear so you can work confidently. I'll walk you through oil change, filter swaps, basic inspections, and simple brake checks using clear steps. You'll learn what to look for, when to replace parts, and how to avoid common mistakes. Stay steady and take your time for safe, reliable results. In this video, I will explain how to service Mitsubishi Lancer. Drain the oil with the engine warm and remove the old filter carefully to avoid spills. Install a new filter, refill with the correct oil grade, and check the level on the dipstick. Tighten the drain plug to the proper torque and inspect for leaks. Proper disposal of used oil keeps your workspace clean and stays environmentally responsible. In this video, I will explain how to service Mitsubishi Lancer. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading repair manuals and how-to guides while you wait on parts. It's lightweight, holds many manuals, and the glare-free screen works in bright garage light. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to service Mitsubishi Lancer. Start by checking brake pad thickness and rotor condition, then replace pads if they are below safe limits. Inflate tires to the recommended pressure, rotate if needed, and inspect for uneven wear patterns that indicate alignment issues. After any brake work, bleed the system if necessary and test pedal firmness. Drive slowly to confirm proper operation before regular use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.